In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from TrustWallet to Coinbase. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab the correct wallet address in TrustWallet and complete the send from your exchange account safely and confidently. Start by opening your TrustWallet app. From the home screen, select the specific cryptocurrency you want to move. It's important to pick the exact asset you plan to transfer because every coin or token has a unique address and often a specific network it lives on. Once you're on that assets page, tap Receive. You'll see a wallet address and usually a QR code. This is the destination for your transfer. Copy the address carefully. Before you move on, double check the network label shown in TrustWallet. For example, if it says it's on Ethereum or BNB, Smart Chain, or another network, make a note of that. Your sending side needs to match this network to avoid lost funds. Next, log into your CoinSpot account on the device you prefer. Head to the wallets page where all your balances live. Find the same cryptocurrency you selected in TrustWallet, open it, and choose the Send option. If your exchange supports multiple networks for that coin, make sure the network you pick here matches exactly what you saw in TrustWallet when you tapped Receive. Mismatched networks are the most common reason transfers go wrong. In the payment address field, paste the TrustWallet address you copied earlier. Take a moment to compare the first and last few characters to ensure it matches. If the coin requires a memo, tag, or destination note, follow the on-screen guidance. Many assets don't need this, but if it's required and you skip it, the transfer can fail. Now enter the amount you want to send. Keep in mind there may be network fees and minimum withdrawal amounts. If you're moving funds for the first time, consider starting with a small test amount to build confidence before sending the full balance. When everything looks right, click Send or Submit. Your exchange may prompt you to complete two-factor authentication. Approve the request with your authenticator app or SMS code. After that, check your email for a confirmation request from CoinSpot to finalize the withdrawal and confirm it promptly so the transfer can proceed. Once confirmed, the transaction will broadcast to the network. Processing times vary by asset and network congestion, so give it a little time. You'll see the incoming transaction appear in TrustWallet when confirmations accumulate. And that's it. You've securely initiated the transfer using the correct address and safeguards.